Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Kevin Rose and Mr. Rolf Freck, members of the board at Bentley Motors, and Christophe Georges, President and COO, Bentley Motors, Inc.
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Good afternoon. And first off, thanks for joining us right at the end of a long and hard day. I'm sure you're ready for a rest. In fact, when we finished, if you'd like to stay around for a cold beer or a glass of champagne, you're very welcome. We're going to have one, so we'd love it if you would too. So, best offer you've had all day, right?
Yeah.
So as I said, my name is Kevin Rose. I'm the board member responsible for sales and marketing globally at Bentley. And I've only been in the job about 4 months, but it's wonderful already to be here in LA and standing in front of 3 fantastic cars, including our new GT3 race concept car. Now, to talk about cars, first of all, it's always great to have an engineer. So what I'm going to do now is welcome my colleague Rolf Freck, who's the board member for engineering and development in Bentley, and he'll tell you a little bit more about the 3 cars we've got in front of us today. So Rolf.
Thank you, Kevin. Yes, with a dedicated Bentley in-house motorsport team and the full support of the FIA, the development of this car, of the GT3, is already on the way, and we will return to the motorsport arenas at the end of 2013. Yeah, this GT3 is set up to show the world what the Continental GT is capable in its most extreme form. And it's the history of Bentley to develop this racing car based on the road cars, and it's the same here with the GT3.
The first position of the Bentley largest market in the world. And at the time I have suggested that all bets were off as to whom will finish in pole position at the end of the year. And I'm delighted to say that the US has resumed its leading position in Q2 and Q3. So I invite you all to come to Detroit in January and to hear who will finally win. But of course, if I speak about it today, it's because I'm very confident. Through the year to date, we have grown our share of the market in the high luxury category, and this has been achieved by strong sales performance throughout our Bentley model lineup, with Mulsanne, Continental Flying Spur, Continental GT, and Continental GTC. We have also seen the extremely positive impact of the new Continental V8, which was unveiled at Detroit this year, as the first customers got their car delivered in Canada and in the United States in the last 2 months. Finally, we eagerly await the arrival of the new GT Speed. The Speed has been a sales success story for Bentley ever since it was first unveiled in 2008, and with this new generation car, we are very excited to build upon this. Our 2012 performance to date is also testament to the strength of our dealer network in the Americas region. And I would like to take the opportunity of this event to thank our 49 dealers. Within the United States, California is the single largest market. It's a very important market for us worldwide, for the brand and of course for our business. And in order to organize it, we are opening a new dealership in South California as we speak, Bentley Westlake. So now I invite you, ladies and gentlemen, to join us on the stand to get closer to our latest model and to have some refreshments. Thank you.